Majority of Ugandans get their first-line treatment in many of these drug shops and clinics, and you might be among the consumers of drugs which are unsafe for your life. But the authorities responsible for quality control of drugs in the country, the National Drug Authority, are raising a red flag on some of the drugs Ugandans are consuming on the market. About 10 drug manufacturers are undergoing investigation for supplying fake drugs in the country.
A formal complaint we got from National Medical Stores had about 10 companies where they had suspicion on the products. And these complaints had come from national referral hospitals, and we think the professionals had a reason for the complaint.
Dr. Ssematiko did not divulge the identity of the companies and the countries of origin for fear of jeopardizing their investigations.
As I talk, I have a team of three teams of inspectors which are outside the country, again to do impromptu checks to the factories where we have suspicions.
This revelation comes a day after the authority suspended an Indian firm, Flamingo Pharmaceuticals, said not to be compliant with good manufacturing practices.
I would say Flamingo products have been a household products because they are relatively many, 87 products. The products we are talking about, the stock is about $1 million, which is the stock of about 2.5 billion Uganda shillings.
This is a landmark. If we sustain this effort, we are going to eliminate poor quality drugs from the market in Uganda, and that is what we have to do as a country.
About 60 types of drugs which are being supplied by Flamingo have been suspended. They include amoxicillin, Profen Plus, ampicillin, among many other drugs. Meanwhile, the National Medical Stores General Manager Moses Kamabale insists that TB drugs are in plenty, dispelling rumors of it being scarce.
So how can anybody, any Ugandan, say that they want TB medicines and they cannot get them and they blame it on animals? Because for us, we have informed all the health facilities that we have enough medicines. We have more than enough. I went to government and said, give me the money. The government gave me the money. I procured the things they are there. People are not ordering for them.
Kamabale is accusing some Ministry of Health officials for requisitioning money through a supplementary budget to buy drugs meant for nodding disease when the drugs are actually available in the medical stores.
That the component of medicines under that supplementary, remove it because we have the medicines. Yes, it's in writing. You can confirm this.
Kamabale reported a shortfall of 15 billion shillings in the budget to procure drugs, but said hospitals and health centers will have to suffer budget cuts to pay for the already available drugs in the stores. The two were appearing before the Parliamentary Committee on Health. Jingo Francis, NTV Parliament.